Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about Mughal production, and before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd been awesome to see your great support. And let's continue with the video. So as you already know that I have been covering Mughal production since a very long time, project since their pre-sale stage. So for all the people who are new, who don't know about Mughal production, let me give you a quick overview about what it is and how it works. Mughal production is the future of film financing. Production is developing decentralized film financing where they are giving everyone a voice in filmmaking process. So it is one of its kind of project where they are working on blockchain based film industry. So if you are interested in participating in this project, make sure to buy some Mughal productions token, that is stars token, because it is the main token for Mughal production, which can be used, which has great use case for like voting on different proposal, voting on showcase, voting and buying some great NFT. So if you are interested in being part of Mughal production, make sure to buy some stars token. And also recently Mughal announced its first showcase, that is Mughal showcase, where you can vote until 19th August only. So there are only 9 days left, and also if any of the movies that you vote and wins will be receiving funding from Mughal production. So it is like by participating in pre-sale for films, you can check all the details about this film right from the showcase section, which we are going to be discussing in detail. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And also if you don't know how you can vote yourself on this movie, make sure to watch the video till the end, because I'll be sharing step-by-step procedure on how you can vote. And now you may be thinking that what is the benefit of voting for this movie. So here are the benefit. Mughal team has allocated 1 million star token in order to be distributed among all the voters who vote for the films. You can be a part of blockchain history and be eligible for any future reward for original voters, and help Mughal choose the best commercial movie if you have any great experience with film financing and film production. And also remember that star holder will be also receiving collective grown 15% of all profit that Mughal receive from this film. For example, if any of the movies that Mughal production film and get some great profit, then the Mughal team will be receiving profit from the team, and then and in return Mughal production will be sharing with all the voters. So that is also a huge benefit for its community. And also if you still haven't created an account, it is really simple to register. After logging in, this will be your dashboard, and make sure to connect your MetaMask so that your if you own any stars token, it will be reflected over here. And also if you own any NFT, it will be showing over here, that is one NFT is owned. All the pre-sale buyers received NFT from the Mughal team, so that is also something really good. And if you are a subscriber of my channel, you know that Mughal did an amazing event of proof of origin with Rob Pryor, where they burned painting live in order to create an NFT out of it, which was then sold out for 5.5 million stars token in 24 hours. So it was a great success. So Mughal team is also doing really great with all the events and all AMS that they are doing. Dashboard section, you can check out all the details, that is documentation, and also you can check out the live that they do regularly with James Pratt. And also you can check out all the updates and events from right from the dashboard itself. So now let's move on to the showcase. So here you will find all the 3 movies that are up for voting. As you can see, the first movie is Terminal Station, which already got 19,720 votes, and it is currently leading among all the 2 that is being voted. So I'm 100% sure that Terminal Station is going to be winning. So now you may be thinking that how you will be knowing details about this. In order to get the details about this, just click on view details. You will find all the necessary information about this movie. Just scroll down, and here you can check out the trailer for Terminal Station. And it is a really great movie Mughal production presents. You can check out the trailer right from here, and also here you can check out the synopsis, the cast and crew, and get all information about the director, screenwriter. And also in the additional detail, here you will find a full script of the movie, which is something really great. Here you will find a full script of the movie that you can read, and if you think this movie is worth giving a vote, then you can cast a vote. So that is also something really great, that you will be getting a great transparency and get the details about the movies that are up for voting. And if you scroll down here, you will find financed by Mughal. Means these are the movies that got financed by Mughal production. As you can see, this film finance. Bonded has been financed through Mughal, and here you can check the current status of this movie, that is post production, and check out all the information about cast, crew, Bonded mission statement. You can check all the information that you want regarding the movies that are being up for vote, and you can check out all the latest about it is Film Daily, Hollywood Reporters, and get the additional details about the film that is getting financed by Mughal. And now let's move on and check how we can vote ourselves on the movie. For example, I think that Terminal Station is the movie that is worth winning. Just click on this vote and this pop-up will be shown, and if you are interested in voting, just enter the amount that you want to vote. Just cast 30 votes to it. After entering the votes that you want to submit, you can check the wallet balance right from here and decide how much you want to vote. And after that, just click on this approve, and it will be showing a MetaMask pop-up where you need to confirm this transaction. After approving it, you can check out rewards per block, that is 11.08 star. Means I will be getting 11.08 star every block for voting in this, so that is also something really great. After that, just click on this vote, and you need to again confirm it on this pop-up section right from here, and just confirm it. And after the transaction is completed, your vote will be casted. That's how you can simply cast your vote. And also they have their own NFT for each and every movie. As you can see, it is owned by Mughal NFT. For now they have not released anything about this. And also you can visit this community section where you can check all the events, Mughal live, Mughal updates. And also if you still haven't joined Mughal farming, make sure to join that, because here you will get passive income for just taking your stars token. And also soon they will be releasing marketplace where you can buy and sell NFT. So Mughal team is constantly giving great updates to its user regarding the project. As you can see, this 5 hours ago I tweeted this, what is Mughal up to. So I think they will be sharing some amazing news with us about this. So as you can see, this we are just 4 days into first ever Mughal showcase. In the first 4 days itself, they rose around 32,000 votes, and their TVL of star token locked is 41 million star in the voting contract, which is something really great. And also share 1 million star tokens in reward, so make sure to cast your vote. So that is something really great. And also I want to tell you that they constantly do AMS with other projects and do and share information about Mughal production to other community as well. So that is also something really great, that Mughal team constantly do AMS and help user to know about their projects. So that was all about this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.